O Lord, we give you thanks for your mercy and kindness to grant us this beautiful day. Bless our parents, teachers, and all our dear and near ones. Heal the people, those who are suffering from COVID 19. Bless us, fill with your wisdom. Help us to learn and earn knowledge. We ask your blessings. Amen. Please open your eyes, all of you. So, today also we will continue the revision of chapter 7 and just we can revise what all things we discuss. And Ivan Tom, tell me, 100 paisa means how much rupee? 100 paisa is equal to dash rupee. How many rupee? 1 rupee. Very good, very good. 1 rupee. Now, Bhuvana, the money we used in a country, what we will call? The money used in a country is called currency. Currency. Okay. Now, who will tell me the spelling of currency? Nesia, tell me the spelling of currency. 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 Now tell me, Hiba, which is the Indian currency? Which is the Indian currency, Hiba? Rupee. 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 The Indian currency is rupee. Now, Daksha, money is written in dash and dash. What is the answer? Money is written in dash and dash. Money is written in rupees and paise. Money is written in rupees and paisa separated by a dash. Rupees and paisa separated by a dot. Separated by a dot. Money is written in rupees and paisa separated by a dot. Now, next one. The value of the goods is called their dash or dash. Sri Parvati, what is the answer? The value of the goods is called their dash or dash.
Rate or price.
Rate or price. What is the spelling of rate?
RATE. Right.
What is the spelling of price?
PRICE.
Price. Very good. Now, 4 coins of rupees 10 make dash. Agnes, what is the answer? 4 coins of rupees 10 make dash. What is the answer? 4 coins of rupees 10 make how much rupees? If it is 1 coin, it is 10 rupee. Then 2 coins, 20 rupees. If it is 3 coins, 30 rupees. If it is 4 coins, Agnes, how many rupees? 40 rupees. 40 rupees. 40. Now, the number on the coin or note, what we'll call is its dash. What is the answer, Evelyn? The number on the coin or note is its dash. What is the answer? The number on the coin or note is its dash. What we will call?
Value.
Value. Very good. Spelling of value. Joanna Rose, what is the spelling of value? Tell me the spelling of value. 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 Okay. We discuss how.
Value.
Okay. Then we discuss how to write the value of a given coin or not in figures and words. In figures, we will write first of all the symbol and write the number, and in words, you will write the spelling. Okay. Now, all of you ready with the notebook and pencil? Shall we start the next one? So, please take a notebook and pencil. Please take a notebook and pencil. And let us start. Let us find the total amount. Okay, I have some coins and notes with me. So, we have to find the total amount. Okay. So, please take a notebook, and where you stop at last class, there you can start now. And we written 11. Now, today we have 12. Question 12. Question number 12. Now, here we are finding the total amount. FIND. Find Find. Find. Find the total money. The total. Total. Find the total
Money.
money. What spelling money?
Money.
Very good. Money. Find the total money. Okay. Find the total money. All of you please write the question. Find. Find. The total. Total. Are you remembering the word total, which is related to what? Total is related to which word? Addition. Very good. Total is related to addition. So here we have to add the money. Okay. So find the total money. Jivana, are you writing?
Yes.
Joanna Joshi.
Yes.
Okay. So find the total money. And I have 2 coins. Okay. I have 2 coins. Now, first question A. I have a coin of rupees 2 and another coin of rupees 10. Okay, I have 2 coins. One coin is 2 rupee coin and another one is 10 rupees coins. Now you please find answer. Rupees 2 plus rupees 10. What is the total amount? What is the total amount you got it? Tell me.
12.
12. Very good. That means rupees 2 plus rupees 10. Okay. Rupees 2 plus rupees 10. Now let us write answer. So this is a coin of rupees 2. So rupees 2 plus. This is a coin of rupees 10.
Right.
Yes, you can write rupees 10. So 2 plus 10. Here with the numbers are 2 and 10. So we can keep the bigger number in the mind, smaller number in the finger. So 2 plus 10. So 10 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. So after 10, Antonio, after 10,
11, 12.
11, 12. So what is the total amount? What is the total amount? 12. Rupees
12.
Rupees 12. Now all of you write answer. Question and answer. So here we are adding the coins. Here we are adding the coins. So first of all you have to identify the coin. So here we can see first coin is say rupees 2 and another coin is rupees 10. So rupees 2 plus rupees 10. So the number written on the coin is 2 and 10. So we have to add 2 plus 10. So 10 is a bigger number that we can keep it in our mind. 2 we can take in our fingers. So after 10, 11, 12. So the total amount is or total money is rupees
12.
12. Rupees 12.
2.
Total amount is rupees 12. The total amount is rupees 12. Shall we move to another?
Time is bell completed.
Shall we move to next one?
Yes, ma'am.
So, question B.
Yes, ma'am.
I have 3 coins. Okay, I have 3 coins. Now let us see the coins. Identify the coins. Ivanto, identify the coins. Which are the coins? Identify the coins. Which are the coins, Ivan? Tell me. Which is the first coin?
1.
Rupee
5.
1. Coin of rupee 1 plus coin of rupees 2 plus coin of rupees 2. Okay. So here we have 3 coins. Here we have 3 coins. So we have to add 3 one-digit numbers. Here we have to add 3 one-digit numbers. We know how to add 3 one-digit numbers. We will add the first 2 numbers. Then with that answer we will add the third one. So here the first coin is rupees 1. Rupees
5.
plus second coin. Second coin,
5.
rupees 2. Third
2.
coin, again rupees 2.
2.
1 plus 2 plus 2. 1 plus 2 plus 2. 1 plus 2. What is the answer? 1 plus 2? 3. 3 plus 2. 3 in the mind, 2 in the finger. So after 3, 4, 5. So what is the total amount? What is the total amount? Rupees
5.
rupees 5. Now all of you write a question and answer. Rupee 1 plus rupees 2 plus rupees 2 is equal to rupees 5.
Ma'am, Isabel completed.
Very good, Isabel.
Ma'am, Anna completed.
Okay, please be quiet. Please be quiet. Very good.
Ma'am, Hiba completed.
Okay, Hiba. So here we have 3 coins. Rupee 1
Complete.
2 plus rupees 2. So we have to add 3 one-digit numbers. That means 1 plus 2 plus 2. So 1 plus 2 means it is 3. Then 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Now let us add some knots. Are you ready? Shall I write?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So we have some knots. We have to identify the knots. Rupees 10 plus Advala, don't identify the knots. Advala, don't identify the knots. Which are the 2 knots you can see? Rupees 10 and
20.
rupees 10 and rupees 20. So the number written on the coin is 10 and 20. Okay. Now let us write rupees 10 plus rupees 20. Now let us add these two.
30.
Both are 2-digit numbers having 2 places. So 10 and 1s. At 1's place we have 0 plus 0. What is the answer? 0 plus 0? 0.
0.
10's place we have 2 plus 1. What is the answer? 2 plus 1?
3. 3.
So we have the answer.
30.
So what is the total amount? What is the total amount? Rupees 30. The total amount is rupees 30.
Rupees 30.
The total amount is rupees 30. Now all of you please.
Completed.
Okay. So rupees.
Isabel Lily complete.
Okay, Isabel. Rupees 10 plus rupees 20 give us the total amount of rupees 30. Rupees 10 plus rupees 20 is equal to rupees 30.
And 3 Paudi complete.
Very good.
Completed. Completed.
Hanan, are you writing?
And the
Where is the notebook? Jewel, Jomi, where is a notebook? Aipadas, Badra, please turn on your video. So rupees 10 plus rupees 20 give us a total amount of rupees 30. Now let us move to the next one.
Yes, ma'am.
Again 2 knots. Badra, identify the knots. Badra, identify the knots and tell me which are the 2 knots. Which are the 2 knots you can see? Look at the board. You can see 2 knots. Which are the 2 knots? Tell me. Unmute and tell me the answer.
Ma'am,
Ah.
what is answer? 50.
Rupees 50. You can see 2 knots of rupees 50. 2 knots of rupees 50. Now let us add the 2 knots, add the numbers. Now here we have rupees 50 plus again rupees 50. The number written on the knot is 50. There are 2 50s. 2-digit numbers. Two two-digit numbers. Now let us add these 2-digit numbers. We have tens and ones. So first number is 5050, again 5050. Now at ones place we have 0 plus 0. Badra, what is answer 0 plus 0?
0.
0 plus 0 is equal to, Badra, tell me answer. 0 plus 0. 0. Now tens place we have 5 plus 5. What is answer 5 plus 5? 5 in the mind, 5 in the fingers. After 5, 6. Tell me, Badra. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10. So what is the total amount? What is the number we got after addition? Yes, 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Okay, now what is the total amount we got it? 50 plus 50 is equal to 100. So the total amount is rupees 100. The total amount is rupees 100. So if we add 2 knots of rupees 50, we will get the total amount of rupees 100. So all of you write a question and answer. Rupees 50 plus rupees 50 rupees 100. Very good, Isabel. Very good. Very good. Those who have completed, please be quiet. Antonio, completed the question and answer D. You got the answer 100. Rupees 100. Yes. Agnes Saji, completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you got the answer rupees 100.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Joanna Rose, completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we move to next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let us move to the next one.
No, ma'am.
Who didn't complete? Badra didn't complete.
Ma'am is a welcome teacher.
Okay, very good.
A.
Now next we have E. Let us add another knots. So we have another one, that is identify the knot. Okay, Joanna Rose, identify the knot. Which are the two notes, Giovanna Rose?
rupees 50,
Rupees 50 plus.
rupees 20.
Very good. You identify correctly. So rupees 50 plus rupees 20. Now let us add these two. Okay. So rupees 50 plus rupees 20. Now here we have two numbers 50 and 20. 50 and 20. This 50 and 20 both are two-digit numbers having two places. Which are the two places? Which are the two places? Two-digit numbers having two places. Which are the two places? Tens and ones. Tens and ones. Let us find answer. Tens and ones. The first number is 50, 50. Second number 20, 20. Now at one space we have 0 plus 0. What is the answer? 0 plus 0? 0. Very good. When we add 0 to another 0, we get the same 0. Now 5 plus 2. What is the answer? 5 plus 2. 5 in the mind, 2 in the fingers. So after 5, what will come? 6. Very good. So when we add 5 plus 2, we get the answer 7. So what's the total amount? What's the total amount?
70.
Rupees 70. The total amount is rupees 70. So when we add one note of 50 and another note of rupees 20, so we get the total amount of rupees 70. We get the total amount of rupees 70. All of you please write a question and answer. Giovanna, Yepatas, please turn on your
Ma'am, Isabel completed.
Okay, Isabel, very good.
Completed.
Okay. Please be quiet and listen. So now you know how to add money. Notes, coins. Yes. Notes and coins. Now let us have some word problems next. Okay. Let us have some word problems. A revision of some word problems. Please be quiet. Let us write the word problem together.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. WORD word. PROBLEMS word problems. Let us revise some word problems related to money. WORD word. PROBLEMS word problems. WORD word. PROBLEMS problems. Agamya, did you write? WORD word. Okay, PROBLEMS word problems. Now let us write the question number 30. Who is making sound? Please be quiet. NITYA. Nitya. It's a girl. NITYA. NITYA. No, you can continue the same page, no problem. If you have space, you can continue the same page. Otherwise, you can take a fresh page. NITYA, Nitya. HAS, has. Nitya has Nitya, Nitya, HAS, has 2 knots of 2 knots of Nitya has 2 knots of Nitya has 2 knots of NOTES knots of rupees 20. 2 knots of rupees 20. 2 knots of rupees 20.
Ma'am, I cannot see you.
2 knots of rupees 20. Nitya has 2 knots of rupees 20. You can underline this. 2 knots of rupees 20. And and not only knots, she is also having some coins. Nitya has 2 knots of rupees 20 and 2 coins of COINS, coins. 2 coins of rupees 5. So Nitya has both notes and coins. She has 2 notes of rupees 20 and 2 coins of rupees 5. Nitya has 2 notes of rupees 20 and 2 coins of rupees 5. Two coins of rupees 5. So 2 notes of rupees 20, 2 coins of rupees 5. What is the question? HOW, how? HOW, how? HOW, how? MUC,
How many?
how much?
How much?
How much? Nitya has 2 notes of rupees 20 and 2 coins of rupees 5. How much money? How much money? How much money? MONEY, money. How much money? DOES, does. How much money does?
He has.
She have.
Have in
In all. Very good. Now you know how to make the question also. Nitya has 2 notes of rupees 20 and 2 coins of rupees 5. How much money does she have in all? Are you remembering the word in all? What is the meaning of that, in all? Or it is related to which word? Addition. In all is related to addition. So Nitya has 2 notes of rupees 20 and 2 coins of rupees 5. How much money does she have in all? How much money does she have in all?
addition.
How much money does she have in all? Now let us write the answer. Let us write the answer. Are you all completed the question?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, who will read once again this question? Nitya has. Shri Parvati, read the question. Nitya has.
Nitya has
Uh,
two notes of rupees 20 and
uh,
coin
two
of
coins of
rupees
rupees 5.
5. How much money
Yeah.
does she have in all?
Now let us write the answer. Two notes of rupees 20. So one note, another note. Okay, rupees 20. Now two coins, two notes of rupees 20 that we draw. Then two coins of rupees 5. So two coins of rupees 5. Okay. Now, so we have 20 plus 20. Number written 20 plus 20. Now let us add this side 20 plus 20. 20 plus 20. Both are two-digit numbers having two places. So 20 plus 20. At one place 0 plus 0. What is the answer? 0 plus 0. At tens place we have 2 plus 2. What is answer? 2 plus 2? 4. So what is the total amount? 20 plus 20? Rupees 40 plus 5 plus 5. Rupees 5 plus rupees 5. That means 5 plus 5. What is answer? 5 plus 5? 10. Very good. Rupees 10. So rupees 40 plus rupees 10. Let us add once again this 40 plus 10. Now again both are two-digit numbers having two places. At one space we have 0 plus 0. What is the answer? 0 plus 0? 0 plus 0. At 10 space 4 plus 1. What is the answer? 4 plus 1? 5. So what is the total amount? What is the total amount? 50. Rupees 50. So now all of you please write rupees 50. Rupees 40 plus rupees 10 is equal to
Ma'am,
50.
Isabel completed.
Very good. Rupees 40 plus rupees 10 is equal to rupees 50. Rupees 40 plus rupees 10 is equal to rupees 50. So Nitya has a total amount of rupees 50. Nitya has a total amount of rupees 50. All of you have completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me stop sharing. Let me stop sharing.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Is there anyone to complete? Is there anyone to complete?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, now please listen once again. Next day also, that means Monday also we will revise this chapter. Okay, and Monday we will have the test also. That the link I will send on it on Monday evening. Okay. So next day also we will have the revision of chapter 7 Monday. Okay, Badra, tell me. The same notes I will send in the group. So please copy from there. Okay. So bye bye. See you in the next class. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, bye.